Prepare to immerse yourself in a tropical paradise where relaxation meets adventure at this premier oceanfront gated community in Key Largo, Florida. Unit 612 at Mariners Club is a 3-story condo that provides ample space for everyone to unwind. The first floor serves as a private retreat, featuring a complete apartment, a comfortable living area with a convenient kitchenette, and a dining table, a king-sized bed, and large glass doors opening to a covered balcony. Also, a full bath. Up the interior staircase to the second floor, you will be greeted by all the comforts of home. The open concept living area with all the space needed for everyone. Just off the living room is a large covered balcony surrounded by beautiful trees. The dining area has a large table that comfortably seats 8. A fully stocked kitchen, ready for any culinary endeavor with custom wood cabinetry, gorgeous tile floors, granite counters, and stainless appliances. The third floor is dedicated to rest and relaxation. The master suite is a true sanctuary with a king bed and a private balcony. The master ensuite bathroom is truly exceptional, featuring a double vanity, a glass shower, and a luxurious spa tub. Down the hall is a guest bedroom with 3 single beds and a full ensuite bath. Back down on the second floor, you will find another guest bedroom with a queen-sized bed. Just off the guest bedroom is another full bath that serves the second floor. Your stay at Mariners Club, Unit 612, promises an experience defined by luxury, convenience, and the charm of Key Largo. Check out Bare Feet Vacation Rentals on our website or call us to reserve your spot today.